Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making dry style noodles with chicken and mushrooms. This noodle recipe is of Malang, Indonesia, and this is my version. For this recipe, it's best to use noodles that have some chew to it. First, we want to fry the wonton wrappers. You can use any brand you like. I cut some wrappers into 4 sections and some I leave the way they are. Then I fry them in hot oil until they are done. Complete measurements for this recipe is posted in the description box, y'all. Take the wonton wrappers from the fryer and drain on paper towel. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. Then I dice 500 grams of chicken breast and grind it using a food processor. You can use ground beef or pork if you like. Mince or chop about 2 tablespoons garlic. I'm making a lot more in this video. Boil some water and pour onto 5 dried shiitake mushrooms. Once they are softened, I slice them. Their stem is so hard, so I have to cut it. You can use fresh mushrooms if you like. I only have the dried one. Prepare the special oil for the noodles. This is the secret to making it tasty, and I will make a separate video for this in the future. Basically, it is chicken skin and fat, cooked in oil, and lots of garlic. Mine isn't garlicky enough, so I'm adding more garlic here to the oil that I have already prepared. Cook until the garlic is light brown and pour onto a glass container. In the same pan, add 5 tablespoons oil, or you can leave 5 tablespoons of chicken oil. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Cook until the garlic turns light yellow and drier. Add ground chicken. Cook until the chicken turns color. Add the mushrooms and white pepper and salt to taste. Two teaspoons chicken powder, 1 tablespoon low sodium soy sauce. Continue cooking until everything is incorporated. Adjust the seasoning according to your liking. Boil 1/2 cans low sodium chicken broth and 2 cups water. This is for the side meatball soup. Add the meatballs and continue boiling. You can use any meatballs brand you like. Add salt and pepper and turn off heat. There are 2 noodle brands that I found good for this recipe. This is the first one. You want to separate the noodles, and I have about 150 grams of noodles per serving. This is second brand that I like for this recipe. Again, I have about 150 grams. Put in boiling water and let it boil until al dente. Every noodle is different, so you test by eating a little bit of it. Drain the noodles and put in a serving bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons chicken oil. Give the noodles a stir. Now time to assemble the noodles. Add the minced chicken and mushrooms on top. Add fried shallots. Fried wonton wrappers. Sliced pickled jalapenos and cucumbers. The recipes for these are available on my previous video, including the fried shallots. More chili pepper if you like, and the meatball soup. Enjoy, thank you for watching, and see you next time.